Stem and leaf plots. What is the sum? To run this activity, visit jetpackmath.com and enter activity ID M0096. What is the sum of the data? So basically we need to go through each stem and grab all the leaves and add them all up. And we can see here that the left side, the stem side, is a whole number, 15, and the right side is a decimal. So 15 on the left, and a leaf of 5 is 15.5. So let's add these up. The first item is 3.5. The next item is 4.0, and there's two of those, so I'll add 4.0 twice. The next item is 5.0, and the next item is 5.2. And there's no leaves for 6, so we leave that alone, and there's no leaf for 7, so we leave that alone. And we have 8.3 is our final value. And I'll add these up. And I get 30 as the answer. The sum is 30. What is the sum of the data? Again, we have our stem leaf plot right here, and we can see that we're not dealing with decimals. If the stem is a whole number, it looks to be the tens value. So 9 and a 5 is 95 miles per hour. It's not 9.5, it's 95. So let's add up these values. We get 50, and 50, and 55. So that's basically 155, but I'll put that down. And then we have 65. And then we have 70. And below that we have 85. And below that, there's no leaf, so we ignore it. If this was a 0, we would put a 0, as in 70, but there is no 0. So that means 9 does not appear in our data. We leave it alone, we don't touch it. And the last value is 105. So I'll add these up. And I get 480.